Hello everyone, I am Vishal Suntalia, the director at Max Fitness. We are a 20-year-old fitness company. We sell fitness equipment, gym equipment and children play equipment to all the projects across Telangana, Hyderabad and Andhra. We are one of the largest importers in South India, and we are proud to say that we supply to almost 85% of the builders in Hyderabad. Name the builder, the chances are that 85% you will find our equipment with them. That's the trust we have built in the past 20 years with all the builders. Well, what do? We not only supply equipment, we also design the gyms, we do the layouts, we supply floorings, we supply the total solution. Even to the children play areas, we give you the proper 3D diagrams along with the flooring solutions. So that is where we are a one-stop shop, because we give you gym equipment, we give you children play equipment, we give you indoor sports like TT tables, caroms, chess and billiard tables, and also we give the latest outdoor gym equipment. So we are a one-stop shop for all your solutions of clubhouses and builders' favorite, of course. So here we are today at the CREDAI TS Conclave, and it's an amazing experience to be here. You please have a look at our, of course, the showcase of our stall will be done. You can see the experience center of MaxFit. Why MaxFit is the preferred brand? It's because we give you three things in one go: price, quality and service, which is not available with other brands. So that's why MaxFit is what MaxFit is today. We are glad to be a part of CREDAI today. It's a wonderful feeling to see all the builders here. It's kind of an extended family, so it's kind of a reunion for us. And we extend our support to CREDAI, wish them all the best, because Telangana real estate seems to be really growing, and we are happy about that, a part of this growth by supporting each and every builder in their projects. So we wish CREDAI all the best and thanks them for giving us this opportunity to showcase our products, and we just hope they continue supporting us in reciprocation. COVID, yes, I really pray it never comes back. It has been a disaster for everyone. Everyone has seen a loss in the family or near and dear. So keeping that apart, yes, fitness has been in boom in COVID. We did amazing sales for personal gym setups. Like, people realize that fitness really helps in boosting the immunity. So we got a lot of inquiries during the COVID lockdowns for personal gym equipment, even if it's a dumbbell or if it's a bench. We were selling it and make sure that they were delivered on time to the builders or individual houses. That has really helped, and that has also increased the use of fitness equipment in a project. Previously, fitness equipment मतलब ये था कि okay, it's just brochure में है, we have to give it. But now the ideology and the pattern has changed. Even the builder is taking personal interest to give the right equipment which is going to be used. Even the society people have become aware of using the equipment in-house in the gym. If you have a good gym setup in your clubhouse, why would you actually go out and pay special fees for a commercial gym outside the society? So that is our motive, and the COVID has actually indirectly helped us to bring the awareness about that. And we are also matching up to the quality and the demands of the builders, keeping in touch keeping in pace with the demands and bringing new and latest equipment at cheaper cost to maintain the standards. Yes, during COVID, what you said is right. We had designed a very good package starting from 65,000, 75,000 and a lakh. So what does this package include? All these packages included, say, about a treadmill, a Crostner and few dumbbells and benches. So we can even today customize a package for you. We have Crostner starting from as low as 35,000, treadmill starting from 45,000. Well, you don't even need to go in thousands. You can just pick up a pair of dumbbells and a bench and start off fitness at home with just 10,000 rupees. So that is as low as investment in a fitness equipment at home. Of course, the sky is the limit in the upper side, but you can start with basic dumbbells and a bench. That's enough. Or if you're fond of walking, have a treadmill at home. So that's where we start from, having a home range of 400 plus products to supply of gym setups. Thank you.